we? Good morning to you all. Okay, now yesterday we started something on profit and loss, and yesterday we looked at the words, we looked at the profit part of the work. Today we are going to be looking at what the loss price of the work. Yesterday I remember telling you that for you to calculate profit, you need to do what? You need to use your selling price minus your cost price. Now let's see what today will be like. Okay, our subject is mathematics and our topic is what? Profit and loss. Now what is loss? Loss, we say, is a decrease or reduction in cost price. A decrease or reduction in cost price. When I go to the market, if I buy my mobile phone for 5,000 naira and I decide to sell for 4,000 naira, what has happened? There is a decrease in my cost price, the market price that I bought the phone. Now, what is the formula for calculating loss? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. When we want to calculate our loss, we do what? We do cost price, that's the market price, minus the price I sold, that's the selling price. Now that is it. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Note, if the selling price is less than the cost price, that means there is a loss. Okay, now we have some examples on the board to solve. Number one question says, Ade bought a shoe for 2,500 naira and sold it for 2,000 naira. How much did he lose? How much did he lose? Now let's look at the work now. We say to calculate for loss, we need our what? Cost price minus selling price. How much did Ade buy the shoe? He bought the shoe for how much? 2,500 naira. Let's look at the formula first. Cost price minus selling price. We know that our CP means what? Cost price, and our SP means what? Selling price. Now let's solve. We have our CP. Cost price is equal to what? 2,500 naira. And our SP, which is the selling price, is equal to what? How much did you sell the shoe? 2,000 naira. Now we'll put our sign, our subtraction sign. Now let's calculate. 0 take away 0, we have what? We have 0. 0 take away 0, we have 0. 5 take away 0, if you count 5, you can't remove 0. So our answer here will be 5. 2 take away 2 means nothing. So now what are we going to do? We bring down our naira sign. So our what? Our loss is what? 500 naira. So Ade lost 500 naira for selling the shoe below the cost price. Okay, now let's go to example 2. A bag was bought for 2,200 naira and sold for 1,800 naira. What is the loss? The same way we write our formula. Cost price, our loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now, let's solve. We have our CP. Our CP is what? Our CP, our cost price is what? From the question here, our cost price, how much did he buy the bag? He bought the bag for how much? 2,200 naira. And our SP, how much did he sell the bag? That's the selling price, 1,800 naira. Our subtraction sign. And rule our line to calculate. 0 take away 0 is what? 0. 0 take away 0 is what? 0. 2 take away 8 is impossible. What do? We cross out this, it becomes 1. We take this one, which represents 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So now we count our 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We count the remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. 1 take away 1 is 0. So we don't need to write it there. Okay, so our loss is equal to what? 400 naira. Alright, I hope this will help you to do the homework better. Do have a wonderful day till we meet in the next class. Bye-bye.